How to use my eyes only on Snapchat in 2024. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Vesnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use my eyes only on Snapchat. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. I'll quickly show you steps on how you can set up your my eyes and how you can add your snaps to my eyes or move it there. Now first thing, you want to open up Snapchat. Once you open up Snapchat, you want to head into your memories section. Once under memories, if you swipe to the right at the top on the options, you should be able to see my eyes only. You want to tap on it. Now in my case, I've already set up my eyes only, but if you don't have set it up, then you'll simply tap on setup option and then it'll ask you to enter in the passcode. You want to set up a new passcode and then your my eyes will be set up. Now once you set it up, in order to add your snaps to my eyes only, you want to head over to your home or your memories, and then you want to select the particular snaps that you wish to move to my eyes only, and then tap on more option at the bottom of your screen, and then there you should be able to see the option to move to my eyes only. Now you can see if you select multiple snaps, then you won't get the option, so you'll have to do it one by one. You want to select a particular snap, tap on more, and then tap on hide snap and then move to my eyes only. So this is the way that you can use my eyes only in Snapchat. Hope this helped you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.